for making a hole. So this is what you need the materials. And a pipe piece.
See, I will show you. After finishing the firki's creating, okay, it will be like this. Okay,
So
now we
let's
are
move.
starting.
Yeah. You take the cardboard and cut it into the pieces of a circular. So according to our pipe piece, so this is of 3 inch. So it is matching to the pipe.
And the pipe's size is 1.5 inch. Okay, so it will 3.5 inches will match the
pipe piece.
Pipe.
Okay. Now let's move on to how to make it. So I have cutted 4 pieces of cardboard circular. So I'll stick above this and this so that it becomes thicker.
Having 4 pieces of cardboard. Okay, these 2 pieces are thick piece. Okay, and this is very thin piece just to support this. And here it is white color is there, no? And it will look beautiful also.
So here we have taken Fevicol to stick upon this. So let's start. So here we have applied the Fevicol and we will stick it.
Now we are sticking it.
Make sure that it has stuck properly. So give a pressing upon that. So after this, we'll let it for dry. So we'll keep it at the side and we'll go for next. So now we have kept that for drying. So now we'll take the pipe piece and fill it with waste papers, and so that the stick will be strong. So we have kept the stick and now we should fill around the stick so that it will be strong and it will not come outside. So we are filling it with the newspaper or a waste paper. You can take anything.
And it is to give support for a glue gun. So it won't flow down.
Yeah. So the stick should be in the correct middle and both the sides should be equal. No problem if the stick is bent, but it should be strong so that while flying a kite, it should not get removed. So let's move on by filling the papers. So try to fill properly so that the stick is strong enough so that you can fly kite easily.
Now you can see I am filling the paper.
So I think it's done. So now we'll move on to next step. So you can see here, so we have filled properly. So now let's move on to stick the stick properly. So we are sticking by glue gun. So it should be very strong. We'll fill it fully. Make sure that you apply the glue gun properly so that it will be strong to support you while flying a kite.
Fill the glue full till this end.
Oh.
This end.
Okay. So. Okay. So now you can see it's going to be end, and it should be very strong enough that it doesn't break. And the stick you take should be dry and it should not be raw. So I think one side is done. So let's move on to another side. But we'll leave it for drying for some minutes. So we have filled glue gun with both the sides, and you can keep it for drying for about 5 to 6 minutes. So now let's check the cardboard is dried or no. So the middle and just make a hole, and over here also. So the middle hole is done. So we'll make as big as the pipe piece. So as big as the pipe piece, so that it comes over here and be strong enough to control that the cardboard doesn't slips. So if you just glue it over here, it will not be so strong. So let's glue it over here. So let's move on. So you can see that we have fixed one. So we'll show how to make hole for another one. So let's start. So just take a scissor and just turn continuously so that it becomes a hole. But make sure that it is in a perfect middle. Otherwise it will not be a perfect firki. So the waste pieces you have to just throw it out. So these were the waste pieces. So now we are taking a bigger one so that it becomes easy to make a hole. So you can take a bigger size of a cutter so that it becomes easy. Or you can take a size that is perfect to a hole, to making a hole. Make sure that it should be the perfect size so that it's strong.
And it will fix properly.
And make sure that it's equal from all the sides, the hole in the between. It should be equal. So now we have made a big hole. Let's see will it fit or no. So I think it's better. So if you want to make it more bigger, you can make it according to your pipe size. So now we have to apply glue gun here and here so that it will be strong enough. So now we are applying glue gun in the outer surface and in the inner surface. So we should apply it properly so it is very strong. So here one side is applied and it's dried. Yeah, it's dried. So we apply inside the inner part. So you have to apply. You have to apply properly so that it doesn't go out.
And it would get removed.
Yeah.
I have applied. It should get dry.
Let it dry. So one side of the cardboard is applied. So you can see it's strong enough. So next we'll go to the next side.
Both sides, not one side, both sides.
Yeah.
One side's cardboard, both sides is applied.
Yeah.
Okay, now one cardboard is pending to apply.
Now
So I am applying to another cardboard.
Yeah. It should be strong and it should be applied to the pipe and the cardboard. So the firki is almost done. The last process is there, that we should apply glue gun over here so that it doesn't get separated and it can roll on the ground easily. So let's move on. So you can see we are applying here lightly. You should apply it lightly so that it doesn't look unneat, untidy. So apply lightly so that it will be little strong to roll on the ground. So the firki we had made before, see, you can see here it's strong now. It's strong, so it can roll on the ground.
And this side is over.
Yeah, that side done. Now we'll move on to the next side. So the same process you have to do. So in this firki you can use your waste materials. So we have used almost all waste materials like the pipe and the stick and etc. And it's very easy to make. And cardboard will be there in everyone's house. So it's easy to make. And I think in this firki we can roll up to 3000 meters of thread.
Yes.
So this is best to do and it looks almost neat. So I think we have done. Now we let it for drying. So now the firki is ready. Now the last step. You have to wrap with some tape so that when you knot the thread, it will be strong and doesn't slip. So let's do that. So we are wrapping with the sticky tape of any size. You can take of 2 inch, 1 inch or half inch. But make sure that you wrap it properly. Okay. is done. So it's done. So I hope we are done with the firki, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and your suggestion in the comments below, and share and like the video. So bye. We'll meet you with a video soon. Bye bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.